What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to use the product element inside the email builder inside of High Level. This is great for anyone that's using an e-com store. It allows you to actually put your products directly injected into your emails. Inside today's video, I'll show you how to set all that up. See you inside the video. What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc here. So we're inside the actual demo account. We're on the sub account level. To actually find the emails, you're going to go to marketing. Then you'll go right here to emails. You'll go to campaign. So this is our first one. You can either hit create new at the top or create campaign at the middle. And then if you already have templates, they'll be listed here. But since we don't, we're going to use the blank ones they give us. Now you have the ability to use the code editor, which is a lot more HTML heavy, or the design editor, which is more drag and drop. We're going to use the design editor. And then here is the element that we're looking at the most, this right here where it says products. Now you'll see that it says no products added yet. To add products, you're going to come right here where it says add an item. Now, of course, you do need products already created. If you haven't done that, there are other videos we've created on how to do that, but you will need to go into the products tab, create one for your store if you haven't already, so they'll be listed here. Once they've been created, you'll see you'll be able to choose from products you created, and then different variations. You'll be able to pick them, and then they'll be listed here accordingly. You'll pick another. If you wanted more, you could come in. We could pick this guy again, pick the white this time, and we come in and we could pick this t-shirt this time, pick white again for that one. And you'll see there's this distinct layout it has right now. If you wanted to change that, you can click right here and you'll see you have four different actual ways that you can lay out your images. I like that one, to be honest with you, the best. Once that's picked, you'll go back. You'll see that you can you can turn off the title, the description, the price, and even the button if you wanted to. Now, the thing that is going to be to hit the button to change the text. If you wanted to say get some, you could just change that right now. Now you'll see that default checkout is coming soon, which means later on they'll be able to update it where you'll click the button. It'll take them right to the specific checkout for that item. But as of right now, you're going to use this link redirection, this URL right here. I would recommend going to your store and going to the products list page. Just pop it out, and whatever URL you're using, you're going to copy that bad boy, come in, and then put it right in here. And then you'll see once you save it, if we go to the preview right here, you'll see that now if we decided to get some, it would take us right to the product list page, which would allow us to get some. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Hopefully that made sense to you. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the description. I'm the Funnel Doc. Thanks so much for allowing me to be part of the high level content army. I'll see you inside the next video. Funnel Doc out. Peace.